Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing the top 3 budget keyboards of 2021. Anyways, let's get straight to the video. Our first keyboard on this list is the RK61. You could get this board for around $30. Yes, $30. This keyboard is in a 60% form factor. You can't really expect much from a $30 keyboard, but what surprised me the most about this keyboard, it has Bluetooth capabilities. This keyboard also has fully mechanical switches, and the variety include red switches, blue switches, brown switches, and even black switches. The switches that come with this keyboard are made by Royal Clutch, the company that makes the RK61. They are not the best switches, but you can't complain. The keyboard is literally $30. The keyboard, of course, not hot swappable. The keycaps on the RK61 are not really good. They come with ABS keycaps. I don't really like ABS keycaps since as you type on them, they develop a shine over time. But you really can't expect much from a $30 keyboard with Bluetooth. Now, let's move on to the next keyboard. The second keyboard on the list is the MZ60. This keyboard comes in around $50. And this keyboard, same as the RK61, comes in with a 60% format. The MZ60 comes with the Gateron optical switches. When you are purchasing the board, you have the choice between two different switch types, the Gateron optical browns and Gateron optical yellows. Personally, I love Gateron optical yellows, so I would go for it. The MZ60 does not have Bluetooth, but what makes it stand out is that it has 3-pin hot swap. This means you can take out the switch that's inside the keyboard and replace it with a new switch once you get bored of it. The keyboard comes with double-shot ABS keycaps. Like I said for the RK61, I don't really like ABS keycaps, but the MZ60 comes with double-shot ABS keycaps, which are not good but still better than the normal ABS keycaps. Nevertheless, let's move on to the next keyboard. The next keyboard on the list is the Keycool 84. This keyboard comes in around $80, but you can pay $90 for the wireless version. This keyboard comes in with a 75% layout. The 75% layout is personally my favorite layout out of all the keyboards. I personally think that the Keycool 84 is the best looking keyboard in its price range. You can see all the different colorways in the clip next.
I personally like the red, black and white colorway.
When buying the Keycool 84, you have an option to choose from 4 different types of switches: Gateron Reds, Gateron Blues, Gateron Browns, and Gateron Blacks. But if you choose a switch and you don't like it, you do not have to worry, since the keyboard is also hot swappable. The Keycool 84 has the best type of quality keycaps, double shot PBT keycaps. PBT keycaps do not develop a shine over them as you use them over time. Thank you for watching my video about the top 3 budget keyboards of 2021. If you liked it, make sure to like, and if you're new here, make sure to subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Goodbye.